Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, it doesn't have any special, but the more specific thing about this is how to create this thing. Let's create it so fast. For creating that, we need to insert 4 circle and distance them in the right way. How we can create that? It's just easy. We align it in the center and the middle. Then we create a copy of that. You must remember they need to align in the same way. Okay. Then zoom out. Create 2 more. Select both of them, bring them top. Select all of them and make them onion. And after that, you need to insert a rectangle, then make them fragment. Now, when you delete the leftovers, your shape is ready. Now you need to color this up to this color. This color is a color. You can color it up from format shape. In the shape option, you can fill it with gradient fill. This gradient fill. I'm just going to copy that because it's annoying to recreate it again, but they are all the same. After that, we need to align it center, align it middle. Then we need to create these 2 things. You see these 3 things. How to create them? It's just simply so easy. We need to create 3 shapes and rotate them. I'm going to copy them. And then I'm going to copy them again. Here, send them to back. Then I'm going to align them center and in the middle. Now I copy this slide. And in one of the slides, I delete all these things and then bring it to the middle. Now here I delete this thing, but you need to have reduced size this item here. After that, set the transition to morph and the magic happened. Your slide is ready and as beautiful as possible. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.